Thailand's daily weather forecast: heavy rains, flash flood warnings and strong winds, October 3, 2024. Thailand's daily weather forecast. October 3, 2024. A moderate high-pressure system from China extends over the western part of the north, the northeast, and the South China Sea. The monsoon trough has shifted southward, affecting the central, east, and upper southern regions. Expect variable weather with scattered thunderstorms, gusty winds, and isolated heavy rain in the upper country. Some areas in the north, central, including Bangkok and surrounding areas, and the east may experience very heavy rain. Residents in these areas should remain cautious of potential flash floods, especially in foothill areas, near rivers, and in low-lying regions. Due to the changing weather conditions, people should also take care of their health. In the Andaman Sea, the weak southwest monsoon prevails, with winds and waves reaching up to 1 meter and over 2 meters in thunderstorm areas. All vessels in the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand are advised to proceed with caution and avoid thunderstorms. Regional weather. Northern Thailand, expect widespread thunderstorms with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall and gusty winds in areas such as Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Lampung, Lampang, Sukhothai, Tak, Kampong Phet, Phishit, Phitsanulok, and Phetchabun. Temperatures will range from 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, minute, to 29 to 33 degrees Celsius, max. Southeasterly winds at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Over the next few days, October 4th to 7th, cooler morning temperatures, 1 to 3 degrees Celsius drop, strong winds, and isolated rains are expected. Northeastern Thailand, isolated thunderstorms are expected, mainly in Loei, Nong Khai, Chayafam, Nakhon Ratchasima, and Buriram. Temperatures will be between 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, minute, and 29 to 33 degrees Celsius, max. Winds will blow at 10 to 30 kilometers per hour from the northeast. From October 3rd to 7th, cooler mornings with a 2 to 4 degrees Celsius temperature drop and isolated light rains are expected in the lower part of the region. Central Thailand, expect widespread thunderstorms with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall and gusty winds in Nakhon Sawan, Uthai Thani, Chainat, Lopburi, and nearby provinces. Temperatures will be between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, minute, and 31 to 35 degrees Celsius, max. Variable winds at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. From October 4th to 7th, isolated thunderstorms and heavy rains are expected in the southern part of the region. Eastern Thailand, fairly widespread thunderstorms are expected, with isolated heavy to very heavy rains and gusty winds in Nakhon Nayok, Prachin Buri, Konburi, Rayong, Chanthaburi, and Trat. Temperatures will range from 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, minute, to 31 to 34 degrees Celsius, max. Southeasterly winds will blow at 15 to 30 kilometers per hour. Waves will reach 1 meter, rising above 2 meters during thunderstorms. Between October 4th to 7th, scattered thunderstorms and heavy rains are likely. Southern Thailand, east coast scattered thunderstorms with isolated heavy rains are expected in Phetchaburi, Prachuap Khiri Khan, Chumphon, and further south. Minimum temperatures will be between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperatures will range from 31 to 35 degrees Celsius. Winds will vary from 15 to 30 kilometers per hour, with waves reaching 1 meter and up to 2 meters during thunderstorms. From October 4th to 7th, expect fairly widespread thunderstorms and isolated heavy rains. Southern Thailand, west coast scattered thunderstorms and isolated heavy rains are likely in Ranong, Phang Ngo, Phuket, and Saturn. Minimum temperatures will be between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperatures will range from 31 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 15 to 30 kilometers per hour will bring wave heights of around 1 meter, rising above 2 meters in thunderstorms. From October 4th to 7th, easterly winds will prevail, with similar wave conditions expected. Be prepared for changing weather and stay safe during storms. Thank you for being with us today. If you'd like to stay informed on the latest weather updates, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay dry, stay safe, and don't forget to check for any travel updates. Have a fantastic day.